Hello everybody, this is Val with This Is How You Do It, and we're doing a fellowship ride to come see one of our biker friends that dropped his bike, and he is standing there with the cane in his hand, and this is all the bikers that showed up. And then there's a biker stay next door to him over there. But this is everybody. We presented him with a card already. Now we're finna present him with a picture of his bike, and we're gonna retire it today.
Down in here. Yeah.
But we're not going to retire you, we're going to retire your bike.
Oh, okay.
You can hurt all you want.
Yeah.
Can I go first?
Yes. Oh.
Okay. Your bike number, what's that? MBA, what's that?
Capital City Track.
No.
Mava. Yeah,
MBA.
All Mava and all the other bike riders, independent and private owned bikers, we all got together and we're going to retire your bike. And I know last time you saw it, it was in bad shape. But we don't want you to remember how that is, you know. You know, we get old, everything must part. We know how you are. We got together and we voted to retire your bike. I didn't do this on my own. All these names down here say, well, we're going to retire your bike. And maybe you get a Harley Davidson. Oh, no. You done went bad to work. So I hope you find something in the den. If you know, you're an Air Force person. And you read it over and then we present this to you. That's the way you need the members. Got a pretty decorated bike. Yes, sir.
That man leaned on, we told him not to get that, but he wouldn't listen.
Well, all right.
We got to help, we got
We will officially retire this bike.
Yeah, right. Hey, do it like this, Doc.
There you go.
Yeah, take a picture like this, Doc.
So we can see you.
Let me get a picture with Doc.
Hey.
Okay, in behalf of the children of Montgomery County and the bikers, and you see how many is here. You see how many is here, right?
Okay.
It's all about quality, not quantity all the time.
Yes.
So you don't worry about that, and you don't send out another text that belongs to you, for you.
Okay.
You agree?
Okay.
Sit down and let us do something. Okay? And continue to do what you do.
Okay.
And stay true to what you do.
Exactly.
Because at the end of the day, you're Dr. Breaky to everybody, not just Doc, okay?
Exactly.
So stay the man of the cloth, okay?
Okay.
Stay in your order. And follow, when Ms. Bailey said do this, do it. Okay? All right.
Hey, Doc, what's your bike name? You ain't never named it, did you? Yeah, he got time to name it. That time he get where he been thought it was good.
Well, y'all turn the cameras off.
Okay, wait, okay.
You turn the cameras off.
Okay.